Hello everyone, welcome to the NEET update series. In the video, we'll look at what are some of the updates provided by the Union Education Minister in his interaction with the student. For some of the usual queries that the students would have, he kind of provided the responses through his webinar. Okay. So main there was a query that a lot of students were asking whether there will be a NEET 2021 or it is going to be cancelled. Okay, so he was outright in saying that the kandipa cancel agadu, but there could be a chance for the examination to get postponed. Okay, but whether it will get postponed like till the month of September, like it has happened in the 2020, or it will be postponed to maybe August or July. On the clarification, he has not yet provided, so we are waiting for update on that, but that would be linked to the board examination dates. Okay, so the update about what are the exact dates is yet to come, but kandipa we will be having the NEET 2021. Okay, adu mattum kedaiyadu, like there is also one good news that he has shared, that probably the syllabus for the examination, right, will be reduced. And CBSE, right, has given a revised syllabus for the current academic year. Okay, adula pathina we have kidathata oru 10 to 20% of the syllabus has been reduced across the subjects. Okay, and he indicated that the same kind of thing will be reflecting in the NEET questions also. But adu kandipa agum solittu he did not give the final confirmation, but he mentioned that they would try to keep the questions to be framed on the revised CBSE syllabus. But adilo ingonnu clarification enna, like revised syllabus CBSE, right, they have given the revised syllabus for both +1 as well as +2. But kandipa for the students who are going to attempt the NEET this year, they would have already crossed their +1 last year. So adanala will the revised syllabus will be considered only for the +2 or illana it will be considered for the whole +1 +2 together. That clarity also has to be given. Okay, only when they are giving us the final syllabus, adalinde we will be able to get a clarity on what is the exact syllabus. But there is all indication that we could be having some examination on the reduced syllabus. Okay, but students, and maybe you can look at already the revised +1 +2 syllabus given by the CBSE, and whatever the chapters that are excluded, right, whatever the remaining thing you can start focusing more. Okay, so even if some of those things are included later, you will take a look at them after some time. But we can try to confine your preparation for the syllabus that is given by the CBSE for the current academic year. Like since there is an issue of the COVID pandemic situation, and the willingness of the students to really come out and participating in an physical examination, there is a question that is asked by student, whether there is going to be a possibility for the NEET to be conducted online, just like in the joint entrance examination JEE madri. Can the NEET also be made online? Adukana he suggested that there is a possibility for looking at this option. Why? Because he has also given one more indication that there is a chance that the examinations could be held multiple times. Like NEET we have only once a year happening, right? We have a major issue that it will add up to the stress levels of the students. But if the examinations to be conducted in multiple attempts, right, that could help in making sure that students won't feel that much stress, because the score they are giving it on a best of the attempts basis, average kadayadu. So average anna adhum or prachana, but the method they are taking for the other examination JEE is the best of the attempts. So if they are saying, for example, giving 2 attempts in Chkonga, they are taking best of the 2 attempts. Even if one of the attempt the student is not able to give for whatever reason properly, second attempt he will be able to make sure that the best attempt Ramadri. But if they are giving more number of attempts, he has even suggested that there could be like 3 or 4 or 5 attempts, but but the possibility of NEET also being conducted online is something that he indicated that they are exploring. Okay, already a lot of the students, because of this year's preparation mode, right, we are all used to the online mode of preparation, taking tests on the online platform. Even NTA, they have given their own assessment app. Most of the students are getting used to the online format of examination, so it should not be so much of a problem. So for the previous shift, JEE shift, they had an issue that how students will be able to cope up. But maximum lot of students are already used to the online preparation and online assessment format. So this shift would not create so much of a problem. That's what they might be thinking. And சொன்ன மாதிரி தான், like there is a chance that NEET also could be given multiple attempts just like the JEE examination. But அதில் என்னன்னா, they have to look at the possibility of having the online mode of examination. அப்போதான் இது feasible ஆகும். ஏன்னா pen and paper modeல conducting the examination multiple times, it will be really an impossible task. So this could be feasible only when they are shifting the NEET to the online mode. Okay. And with regard to the dates of the NEET examination, right, kandipa it will be linked to the board examination, particularly the CBSE board examinations. So he has indicated that the CBSE board examination dates could be announced in the month of December. So if even in the later part of December they are announcing the dates of the CBSE board examination, we could be having, likely we could be having the dates of the NEET also announced either immediately or at least in the month of January. So because they have already indicated that there could be some postponement in terms of the date, students might get sufficient time to make sure that they are preparing thoroughly. And if they are giving multiple attempts in online mode, means that would be even more good news for the students, because that will ease out some of the stress of the students. So this is what is the update we have from the webinar conducted by the Education Minister, and we will meet you in the next update. Have a good preparation.